In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not remembering email addresses. First, let's open Gmail. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and typing in gmail.com. Once the page loads, you should see your inbox filled with emails. This is the starting point for our task. Opening Gmail is crucial because it allows us to access the settings we need to adjust. You want to make sure you are logged into your account. This ensures that any changes you make are applied directly to your profile, keeping everything streamlined. Next, look for the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon represents settings. Click on the gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see several options that pertain to your Gmail experience. Accessing the settings is essential because this is where you can customize how Gmail behaves. It allows you to tailor your email experience to better suit your needs. From there, click on the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with various tabs and settings. You will notice that the settings are organized into different categories, which makes it easier to navigate. This step is important as it gives you full access to all the features Gmail offers. You want to familiarize yourself with this area because it can significantly enhance your email management. Now, under the General tab, find the section labeled Create Contacts for Autocomplete. This section is crucial for ensuring that Gmail remembers the email addresses you frequently interact with. It helps streamline your emailing process. You want to make sure this setting is adjusted correctly so that Gmail can automatically save new email addresses you encounter. Having this feature enabled can save you time and effort in the long run. Next, select the option that says When I send a message to a new person, add them to other contacts. This selection is vital because it allows Gmail to automatically save email addresses of new contacts you communicate with. By doing this, you avoid the hassle of having to manually add contacts later. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that your contact list grows automatically as you interact with new people. After that, click on the Save Changes button located at the bottom of the settings page. This action is important as it makes sure all the changes you just made are stored and applied to your account. You should see a confirmation message appear, letting you know that your settings have been updated successfully. This confirmation ensures that you can now enjoy a more efficient emailing experience with Gmail. With that ready, you can start sending emails to new contacts and they will be saved automatically. This means that you won't have to remember or look up addresses in the future. Your Gmail account will now remember these email addresses, making your communication smoother and quicker. In summary, these steps will help fix the issue of Gmail not remembering email addresses. By following this guide, you will enhance your Gmail experience significantly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.